Tori, Dene. Oh, yeah. Tori, Dene. Yeah.
Hey guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If not, welcome back. If you want to see how we got this look, just keep on watching. This will be our maintenance day vlog. So we're starting off here with some Noxzema cleansing cream, just putting that all over the face to get a really deep clean, and we're just working that in. Also, I'm going to wash my hair this vlog, so we're using the Sulfur 8 shampoo, clarifying shampoo, just working that in through the hair here. We'll also go in with some conditioner as well after we rinse this out, just to make sure everything is good and clean and moisturized. And there's the Motions conditioner, just working that through and rinsing that out as well. And here we are, just tying the hair up with a t-shirt. I don't use towels for that. Moving along to our face mask. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. I love a good face mask on maintenance day, so I can just relax and it can do its thing. I love how it feels after that mask has been applied, but we're just putting that on, straightening it out, and we'll just leave that on for about 15 minutes. And I don't know what was going on, you guys. For the life of me, I could not straighten this out all the way. I don't know what was happening, but we eventually got it. So while we wait on that mask, we're gonna go ahead and soak our feet. And so I got my little tub here. I put in some dishwashing liquid for bubbles. And then we're gonna go in with some hot water. I also put in some Listerine. And then we went in with apple cider vinegar as well. We're gonna pour that in. And then also we'll go ahead and pour in some Epsom salt as well for a good soak. That 15 minutes is up, so we're just going to go ahead and take the mask off, and then the instructions said to go ahead and just rub in that residual moisturizer that was left from it, so we're just going to do that as well. After that, I decided to have a little snack while I figure out what I wanted to do with my hair. Just watch a little TV, eat my Tostitos. Again, we're relaxing this maintenance day. And I'm just taking off the t-shirt here, just going through the locks and just trying to figure out what are we going to do to this hair. I have no idea. I could not decide. I'm going to go into day 2 in a moment here. When I finally figured out what I wanted to do, I just was at a loss. Like, I have no idea. I ended up just watching a little bit more TV, making sure that it was, you know, kind of dry before I actually laid down. But yeah, I couldn't decide, you guys. I didn't know what I wanted to do with it, but I was glad that it was clean. So here we are on day 2. I finally decided to do just some 2 strands. I'm gonna go ahead and just open up my bonnet attachment for my dryer and sit on the dryer so we can let these dry. I put some mousse on them as well. And like I said, we're just gonna get that figured out here, get under the dryer and, you know, just let it do its thing and dry. So here we go. And while we wait on those to dry, I decided to go ahead and put on some press-ons that I got from Walgreens. And so we're just doing that as well, getting the glue out, and we're gonna size them and then apply them. And so I'm just starting by prepping the nails here, making them a little rough so that once we do stick on the actual nail and the glue, it'll adhere very well. So. And for me, like, doing something while I'm sitting under the dryer kind of takes away from how hot it is under there. So I was glad I was able to go in and start working on the nails at least to kind of take my mind off of that heat. So. And here I am just applying those nails, just making sure everything is sized up correctly and pressing and holding them to make sure they adhere. And here we're just putting on that last nail completed. I did do the other hand off camera. We made it away from under the dryer. That's the finished look of the hair. I did also revamp my lashes off of camera as well. So this was the finished look of everything. I did not film me actually doing the makeup because I did do it like last minute, decided to go out somewhere, but I'm just getting the lip gloss on, just because my lips felt a little dry. But yeah, this is the finished look. And if you did enjoy this vlog, please follow me for more videos. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Lip gloss on the mirror line, gold on the cheek that shine. Every detail, every move feels like a sign.